Hi friends, I'll show you how to make pesto today. I have got like 3 handfuls of basil. These are Italian sweet basil. I just plucked it from my garden. So if you get it from store, look for this sweet basil, Italian sweet basil. This tastes good for the pesto. And just clean it, wash it, and then drain it. So this is like 3 handfuls of basil. I have taken walnuts here. You can add, actually for pesto you can add any kind of nuts, pine nuts, even I have tried macadamia nuts, cashews also. Today I'm going to add walnuts. I like walnuts of all nuts, so I'm using walnuts. This is like approximately like 4 spoons or a handful, maybe a handful of walnuts, and I'm taking 4 green chilies. This is my version of pesto because we like it a little spicy, so I'm adding some green chilies and few cloves of garlic. These are thin cloves, so I have taken this much. You can even take less or more according to your taste. Pepper, black pepper powder, salt, olive oil. So we need more olive oil for this pesto. I'm going to grind all of these ingredients in the blender to smooth paste, and I'm going to put it in Ziploc and freeze it. You can either freeze it, or you can use this pesto to make pasta, or you can use it even on fish, salmon. When you bake it, you can apply some pesto and bake it. You can use this pesto as a spread for the sandwiches, panini. It goes absolutely with anything. Actually, you can use even in the vegetable soup or chicken soup. You can add 1 spoon of this pesto, and it totally changes the taste of the soup, a different taste, and you will like it. So you can use even like half of mint and half of basil also. I have tried that also. People make pesto with different greens. They add mixture of herbs. Some people use it with even parsley and basil. It all depends. Basil is little strong, so you can decide like which one you want. I have even tried with spinach also, but it was not that good like basil. So this is the basil. In store-bought basil, they use like Parmesan cheese. Also they add 1 cup of Parmesan cheese and blend it. I don't want to use it because I freeze it, or sometimes I use it as spread also. So I want to use cheese when I'm cooking the food, actually cooking the dish. I don't want to add to the pesto itself. So this is like 3 handfuls. I have taken only basil today. You can mix with mint also. Mint also tastes good. Nuts also of your choice. Spice levels of your choice. Garlic also, if you want, if you like the strong smell of garlic, you can add this much, or you can add less of it. But the main thing is like you have to add more olive oil. This is like extra virgin olive oil I'm using today. You have to add more olive oil, and you can put it in the freezer Ziploc, and you can freeze it. It freezes well. I have freezed it and used it for 4 or 5 months from my garden basil. It's very good to freeze also. And let me grind it and show you how the pesto looks. So the pesto is done. I have grinded the pesto, basil, walnuts, salt, black pepper powder, garlic, green chilies, and olive oil. I have added little more olive oil on the top to prevent it from oxidizing. Now it's ready to go into the Ziploc. You can put it in freezer Ziploc, the portion size, how much you want. This can serve for 2 packs of pasta actually. 2 packs of pasta we can cook with this much of pesto. And you can, if you make 1 cup, then you can use the rest for sandwich or something. So this serves for 2 servings of pasta, 2 packets of pasta. So that's it, pesto is ready. Thank you.